Sahih Al-Bukhari 3136, narrated Abu Musa radiyallahu ta'ala anha, we got the news of the migration of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam while we were in Yemen, so we set out migrating to him. I and my two brothers, I being the youngest, and one of my brothers was Abu Burda radiyallahu ta'ala anha, and the other was Abu Raham radiyallahu ta'ala anha. We were over 50 or 53 or 52 men from our people. We got on board a ship which took us to An-Najashi in Ethiopia, and there we found Jafar bin Abu Talib radiyallahu ta'ala anha and his companions with An-Najashi. Jafar radiyallahu ta'ala anha said to us, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam has sent us here and ordered us to stay here, so you too stay with us. We stayed with him till we all left Ethiopia and meet the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. At that time, when he had conquered Khaybar, he gave us a share from its booty, or gave us from its booty. He gave only to those who had taken part in the Ghazwa with him, but he did not give any share to any person who had not participated in Khaybar's conquest except the people of our ship, besides Jafar radiyallahu ta'ala anha and his companions, whom he gave a share as he did them, i.e. the people of the ship. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.